CMA Expo 2026, now in its fourth edition, returns on April 10th to 12th at the Toronto Congress Centre. This year's event expands to 60,000 square feet, delivering a reimagined experience like never before. Dive into a 2-day fabrication masterclass designed to elevate your skills, alongside 8 expert-delivered workshops covering everything from 3D scanning to DSP. Plus, 6 hands-on in-vehicle seminars provide real-world training you can take straight to the bay. Looking to grow your business? The 3-day Sales Summit offers proven strategies to help you scale and succeed. Connect with fellow business owners during exclusive VIP meetings and explore the 12-volt dealer resource alley packed with tools, tech, and support to keep your shop ahead of the curve. Over 100 leading manufacturer brands will be on the show floor, along with featured demo builds from the marine, motorcycle, and power sports industries, all showcasing the cutting edge of custom craftsmanship. CMA Expo 2026, April 10th to 12th at the Toronto Congress Centre. Registration is now open. Head over to cmaexpo.ca and get signed up. CMA Expo, where the Canadian 12-volt industry connects.